गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग कॉन्जर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी ये टॉपिक पे बात करने वाले हैं। और कॉन्जर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी में ये मेरे सन को, मेरा 3rd स्टैंडर्ड में है मेरा बच्चा, उसके कॉन्जर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी ये बहुत कॉमनली आस्क क्वेश्चन है इन 3rd स्टैंडर्ड, 4th स्टैंडर्ड, मे बी टिल 10th स्टैंडर्ड इट कैन बी आस्क. So how you will remember this, and this is very difficult for a 9-year, 10-year-old kid to remember all the uses and how are the measures. So I made a very simply mnemonic: WATCH. W for walking. Walk instead of using cars. Instead of motorcycles. And even you can write use carpooling, use a state transport to save the energy, to save the fuel, which is non-renewable resource of energy we are using in the cars and all that. A for appliances, use of 5-star appliances which are efficiently can work. 5-star AC, 5-star वॉशिंग मशीन, 5-star फ्रिज. इसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि कम एनर्जी कंजम्पशन होगा और इफ़िशिएंटली काम करेगा जो आपका अप्लायंसेज है. सो नाउ डेज देयर इज़ अ 5-star ACs आर देयर, 5-star TVs आर देयर, फ्रिजेस, वो रेफ्रिजरेटर्स आर देयर, इवन वॉशिंग मशीन्स आर देयर. सो watch. So W for walking, A for appliances, T for turn off the bulbs, lights, charging sockets whenever it is not in use. Whenever fans are not in use, please turn off, switch off, so that energy consumption is reduced and energy is saved. Saving is nothing but a conservation, or minimizing a use is nothing but a conservation only. So W for walking, A for appliances, T for turn off, I'll suggest H for heat smartly, and C for CFL bulbs, clean and cool is the word which can you remember, clean and cooled. So C for, you can, once the appliances filters like AC filters, like washing machines का जो भी फिल्टर्स है या ये सब चीज़ें आप क्लीन करके ले सकते हैं एवरी 6 monthly or 3 monthly, so that the instrument can work efficiently. This will save the energy. So cleaning of the air filters helps to reduce the energy consumption. Even I said cool. In this cool, you have to remember the CFL bulbs and fluorescent bulbs or LED bulbs, which consumes less energy. I used the word cool so that you remember the cool bulbs, like which are not producing more heats. जो ट्रेडिशनल बल्ब्स आते हैं ना, जो येलो कलर के रहते हैं, वो बहुत लाइट कंज्यूम करते हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन यूज द CFL bulbs, fluorescent bulbs or LED strips to reduce the energy consumption. Nothing but a conservation of energy. The last one is a heat smartly. In this we remember the proper size of pot or pan is required on a burner, or burner size should fit the pot size or pan size. So you remember this, heat smartly. Now I just said कि W for walking, A for appliances, T for turn off, C for cool and clear or clear and cool, and H for heat smartly. If you remember this watch, So you can easily write the question, easily write the answer of this question: conservation of energy. How can you do the conservation of energy? And guys, I just want to say ki this is our time's need. We always remember this. Watch, so that the renewable non-renewable source of energy can be saved for further generation. And I request all of you to watch for a conservation of energy. Bye guys, take care.